Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a free 7-day Game Pass on Xbox. So super simple, you're just going to go to the Discover section on Discord and go to Quests. And here there will be a PC Game Pass quest. So you're just going to start the video quest here. And you're going to authorize it, and I'll be right back once I finished watching the video. Once you've watched your video, make sure you've opened up Xbox, and then you're just going to select claim reward here. And I'm just going to authorize this. Then you're just going to copy and paste the code. So it's hidden. I'm just going to select copy. And then I'm just going to go to Xbox, like the app. Go to your profile here, view profile. Oops, actually go to settings, sorry. Go to settings, redeem a code, select redeem. Then you're just going to paste in your code and select next to redeem it. Sorry, it's in like my language, so yeah, you just paste it in and press redeem, and that is it. You'll have a week of free Xbox Game Pass. Ta-da! And yeah, you do have to kind of do this, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.